Good evening to the students of Angelic Learning School, to all our friends who are here tonight, to all our guests. Good evening to all of you. And before I start with some other names to be mentioned, I would like to introduce something special tonight. So ngayong gabi po, meron po akong makakasama for you, only for the people of Hong Kong Village. And tonight, allow me to introduce one of my best friends. She is studying now in Pamantasan ng Kabuyo, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Ladies and gentlemen, my co-host for tonight, Miss Janine Marie Minyosa. Good evening, partner.
Good evening.
Hello. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Ay, kumusta mo naman yung mga bisita natin galing sa taga rito lang, Hong Kong Village lang din.
Hello, guys. Kamusta mga bata? Ready na ba kayo?
Hindi lang sa bata to ngayon.
Yeah.
Salamat naman at pinagbigyan mo ang aming
Thank you for inviting me here.
Okay.
It's my first time.
Because you're special, that's why I invited. Not only me, we invited you pala. Okay. So tonight, my friend, so obviously this is the coronation night of Mr. and Miss Angelic. So for the year 2009. And for tonight, how many contestants do we have?
We have 11 contestants tonight.
Okay, so 6 candidates for Miss Angelic and
5 from
for
Angelic Learning Center.
Okay. So, next on our program, may we call on the PTA President of Angelic Learning School, Mr. Alan Labuca, to give her opening remarks. Presidente, ang Presidente ng Parents Teachers Association of Hong Kong, Angelic Learning School. Good evening, sir.
Thank you very much, my dear presenters, the two of you. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, sa mga magulang po, sa mga bisita, at lalong-lalo na po sa mga bata na nandito. Ito po ay coronation night ng Mr. and Miss Angelic Learning School. Mabigyan po lang po kayo ng konting hint kung bakit nabuo po itong idea na ito. Sa kadahilan na nagmula ng una pa lang,